Welcome back, everyone. Boy, today's an exciting day because I'm starting the initial scalping for the backyard. Gonna get it knocked back down, but more importantly though, if you've noticed something, my edging, I've been skipping that lately, and all that is because I want to show you guys something. I've been using these now for a while, and now I'm gonna tell you about them. So let's go check out some evolution. So I got a couple of Darwin grips because being 6'1", man, trimmers, weed eaters, edgers, they're not designed for tall people. After getting things cleaned up earlier this year, my back was absolutely killing me. That's what made me decide to go ahead and get these. So I have been using these guys now for a while, and I want to say that outside of having to kind of relearn things, and it's all on muscle memory, I don't have like lower back aches going like when I get halfway done. So it's doing what it's supposed to do. You all have caught glimpses of these guys before here in the background, or when I used it as a mount for a camera to do some other stuff. But now we're going to take a quick look, at the whole shebang. Then we're going to talk about it some more. Installation, super easy, but there's some little tricks you have to do, and it takes a little bit. We'll talk about that here in a second. So let's see how these things operate. As y'all can see, I took that down to like the dirt in quite a few places. I'm out here scalping this as well, getting ready to take the greens mower over it at the 9/16 cut just to kind of get everything going. And then this weekend, I'm going to freaking boom, take it to the dirt. So you saw me going around the whole yard. Got a little up close bit, a little bit of me holding the old handle versus the Darwin grip handle. You notice, I'm pretty much standing vertical when I'm using the Darwin grip. However, when I use that original handle, I'm hunched over, lower back pain, just ugh. But with the Darwin grip, I don't have that lower back pain. The only pain I have now is forearm pain. And you would think being married 13 years, that wouldn't be an issue. But hey, what do you know? Now let's take a look at the stick edger. I don't have any out back here, so we have to go out to the front. That's getting mowed today too. One thing you probably noticed, there's still a skate ramp on the front porch. I couldn't quite bring myself to get rid of this one just yet due to the kids being out of school for what now seems going to be like forever. So I have to give them something to do, especially since it's been raining and raining and raining. And today, supposedly, is the first of 4 days where we don't have any rain. So they can get out and do other things. Just in case, though, we're gonna keep this ramp on standby. So you'll notice on the Echo, though, I actually mounted it to the attachment portion and not the actual power head. I put it on the attachment versus the power head because I could not get it to get the angle right or get everything set up properly and the way it felt comfortable to me. I also have the black mount facing upwards on the Echo versus the steel, it's going down. Now the instructions show for them to go up, but I alternated them, one, on personal preference because I needed to get what was comfortable for me. If you actually look close, I have the bar angled in. I'm left-handed, so the tool's on my left side, I'm on the right side of the tool. I have it tilted over, that way it can give, it feels comfortable, it feels ergonomic, less strain on my back, you know, still have the forearm issue. Once fine-tuned though, and you get everything dialed in where you need them to be, holy cow, it's a world of difference. That's also part of that learning curve and the muscle memory. But once it's dialed in and just everything, it feels natural and it's where it's supposed to be. But yeah, I like these guys. They are a game changer to my back, a game changer to my forearms. So there we go. The Darwin grips. I've been using them now for probably five and a half weeks, probably a total of 10 times. And I like them. You should like them too, especially if you're over 6'1". So thank you all for watching. Like the video if you haven't already, subscribe, and we will see you soon.